Hi, it's Cheryl here today. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you a walkthrough of what's going on in my garden and behind my patio, so you can see the cone flowers that start blooming. If you want to see, stick around. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. It's Cheryl with Around the House with Cheryl. If you like lifestyle videos, please become a part of my family. I do DIYs, gardening, cooking, and decorating. So we'll get started. I showed you earlier in one of my walkthrough garden videos these cone flowers that we planted here, and they've multiplied like crazy. As you can see, they just started popping. And then those irises, I got to clean those out. They've gotten so big, they're flopping over. But we're just doing a little walkthrough of what's going on. These are portulacas. They'll pop open. They like daytime. They close in the evening. And you can see the cone flowers over here. They're covering up my hydrangeas. It's been so hot here, my hydrangeas are starting to burn. But that's because they're in the sun. But that's okay. These verbenas, they come back from seed every year. And I got some weeds in here I got to pull. So I'm going to be pulling weeds today. But I just wanted to pop on here and show you what's going on here in this hodgepodge behind my patio. I need to clean it up, really. But it attracts a lot of wildlife like butterflies and bees and hummingbirds. So we're going to go back around here and we're going to go up on the patio so you can see how the annuals are doing. I'm going to be cutting those back too. So hopefully they will keep blooming to the end of the season. And this is my little hosta garden under here, under this tree. They're doing pretty good. There's one little hosta there that's still kicking. Okay, so over here, these are my hens and chicks, as I showed you before. And the portulacas are getting ready to pop open this morning. Over here, this is doing okay, except for over here, you can see where this one bacopa plant kind of hogged out the red petunia, so I'll have to maybe replace that. I'm not sure. And look how big this hen chick got. Isn't that pretty? I may have to divide some of them. But they're getting big. Hopefully they'll survive the winter. I got plenty of babies, so I can keep multiplying. There's a empty spot over here in the back, so I don't know if it was one there and it died, but I'll replace that. And then this one is doing well. And these are just some Japanese maples that we potted up. One looks kind of funny. And this is a fennel plant. I've planted that for the butterflies. They're supposed to like that plant. And then that's just a sedum of some sort, and a house plant that needs to be trimmed up. And then you see in the pot there's cone flowers that have bloomed. And you know, I have my hostas in my pots. And then this plant here has a little pup. Can you see it? So we'll probably pot that up. And this is the red trumpet vine. It finally has some blooms on it. Can you see that? So they probably be popping open in another week or so, I'm thinking. And then this is just a petunia that I had. And my fairy fountain. And then He needs a haircut because it's kind of thinning out in the middle. So I'll cut that back so it'll thicken up again. And see how that crazy plant is in there? I'm going to have to pull it out so it doesn't choke out that pretty coneflower. And look how my mandevilla plant has grown. It's grown all the way up. And we got a little hummingbird. He wants to come to his feeder, but I'm in his way. And my poor little frog that I showed, he done fell apart. I couldn't get him to stay glued, but that's all right. It was just an experiment. And then my hostas, my hydrangeas back here burned up a lot since it's gotten so hot, but I'm not worried. And then these are those pink bubblegum petunias. They're going to be cut back. I'm going to cut them back some today. See these, I like these because you don't have to really pick them. These, they get so many dead ones. You have to pick them if you want to keep getting blooms. And so we got one over here too. You see the big bumblebee on there? Okay. Alright. So that's what's going on out here. So I'm going to get the weeding a little bit. And I will see you later. Might go to the cutting garden. Let you see what's going on over there. Because I don't know either. Alright. Look how he drinks from the back of the petunias. I don't know if you can see that. Look at that. But of course he wants to be on this side while I'm working. Oh, God. I'm going to sit down. I'm going to trim some of these up. Give it a haircut. I'm going to take up all.
We's going to get on it.
Get some more blooms on here.
Huh?
Cut it back so we get some more blooms.
Oh, you talking to him? You videoing this?
Yeah.
Come on. Coming outside?
Leave him in there. It's too hot. Whew. Okay, guys, I am back. I'm on the other side. I already trimmed up the ones on the other side of the patio. I'm just giving it a trim, not too much. And then I'm picking all the dead ones off. You have to pick the dead ones off if you want it to continue to bloom. And every year I say I'm not going to get any petunias that I got to pick. I didn't think I had to pick these that much. Anyway, if I wanted to pick, I should have planted me some cucumbers. But I don't do vegetables. So I'm just going to be picking. And cutting a little bit on the edges. I'm trying to pick all the dead ones off because I want it to refresh. There's already some plenty of blossoms coming on. I'm just going to cut off this edge a little bit. You see, look, it gets dry underneath this. Taking all the moisture out. So I'm going to cut some of that off. That's what I'm doing. It's getting so hot I might not get to my weeds. Okay. Now look, I was on the other flower a minute ago and I had that bumblebee. They keep wanting to get in my way. He won't bother me as long as I don't swat at him, but he got to come on the side that I'm on. He can't be over there. Unless it's a different one. Okay. gave a little quick tour of my July patio. Let me know down below what you like, which flowers you like, or hardscape, or whatever it is you like about my garden. I'm not sure, like I said earlier, if I'm going to get over to the cutting garden today. But I'm still getting gladiolas that have bloomed. And I'm going to show you those in a second here. Let's see, you're in a bucket. Hold on, I'll be back. Okay, here's the gladiolas that just came out of my garden yesterday. They are so pretty. I hope the bulbs come back. I'm gonna leave them in the ground and seeds. We're in zone 7B, so they may come back. Let's see. Let me turn this one over. I want to see. Some of them are a little dried on the end, but I usually cut them down and put them in my vase. But look how pretty. So I'm just going to keep picking and shooting and chatting. Don't have a lot to say. Happy 4th of July, everybody. I'll probably load this after 4th of July, but it's 4th of July. And I decided to work on my plants today before it gets hot. I don't think it's going to be as hot today as it was yesterday, but I already feel like I'm about to burn and slam up. Broken. And I believe that when I think I got all these little dried up ones off, a couple more down and I walk away. That's what I think. Anyway, guys, I'm going to finish trimming these up, and if I decide to pull the weeds out, I'll go down there and show you what I'm doing down there. If you want to watch somebody pull weeds, that's like watching paint dry. See ya.